Hello everyone! Everyone is panicking in this condition of COVID-19, so let's not panic and make our own homemade hand sanitizer. We need 3 ingredients for this. This is easily available in the market. First, we have ethanol or ethyl alcohol, or we can use isopropyl alcohol as well. This is available in any pharmacy and is about 210 rupees. The other one easily available at our home is aloe vera gel. You can use any brand of aloe vera gel which will help to retain moisture in the hands. Last but not the least is the essence oil, which will remove the strong odor of ethanol. This is available in Miniso as well. So let's start to make our own homemade hand sanitizer. First, we need a cup and a bottle to put the sanitizer. So let's start making our own homemade sanitizer. We will take 3 cups of ethanol. I'm sure grade 9 and 10 students know the property of ethyl alcohol. Then we will take 1 cup of aloe vera gel. This is a grapefruit essence oil. Five to 6 drops of essence oil. Mix it very well. After mixing it, we will pour it into the bottle. So our hand sanitizer is ready. You can make it and use it at home. Stay safe and stay inside.